стакан пива открыл, он падает. Его сейчас коронавирус.
Себе легче нести пиво, чем снаружи.
Да.
Поэтому.
А что у тебя за прибор? И еще у нас две вещи.
So I made this little shelf for all of our stuff. So all the food, all the tools are just sitting right here. This is our little camp.
I know you guys like this kind of driving base, so I downloaded a lot.
Little stream, little creek. But it is perfect for us. So, what do you guys think? What are the chances we're gonna find some gold in here?
I thought I saw some sparkles from back here, that's why I got up.
I think the chances are about 0.05%.
I heard that number before.
Hold on. I don't know, is that it? It might be, but I don't know. Right there. You see that little speck right there? I highly doubt it, but it might be it. Nice.
Oh, that one right there?
There's a couple of specks that might be it. But usually when I watch a bunch of videos, they're like flat. Really flat. Okay, so I think there might be one. Yeah, no, it's very hard to focus. Look, this is a tick right here. Look at that.
Is it really?
Yeah.
You sent it to?
Texas Lone Star.
Really?
Yep. 100%. Not messing with no snake.
Yeah, it's definitely. If it's a diamond bag, I'll kill you with one. But does it look like a diamond in the bag?
I don't know. It is day 2. We're in Uwharrie Wilderness. It's a national forest / wilderness in North Carolina. This morning is amazing. As you can see, I am going to get our food. So last night we went and hung up our food. I don't know, maybe 200 yards away from the camp. That is to make sure if any wildlife like bears and whatnot come to get it, it's gonna be far away from the camp, so and hopefully they don't come get us. And here, as you can see, is our food. I mean, this trash bag, the bear could probably get it, but the food, the main food, is pretty high up. Are making an oven. So this is where the bread's gonna go.
Let's do it.
Then we're gonna take this fire. I'm gonna get all the rocks really hot, And then we're gonna put the dough in there, put some rocks on top, and make it like a little oven. And Tigran is gonna take care of the rest. Okay, so we're making plov. We're taking all this and getting it golden. Step 2, adding some of this beef stew. Говядина тушеная. And I added some spices already, the plov specific spices. Now, this is it. You want that lard in there for sure. Fat equals flavor. This is like really tender beef, so you want them in pieces, bite size. And step 3, we're adding some rice. Spread it out evenly, just like that. And now we're gonna add water. So, put some water, and I'm about to add a little bit more of these spices, and then close it up and wait about 20 to 25 minutes. Yep. Turned out pretty good. Very simple.